Some mornings, the world feels still. The rain taps softly against the window. I turn on the light and take a deep breath. It is in this small action that the day begins, and everything else falls into place. Each movement reminds me what showing up really means. Not when it's easy, not when I feel ready, but right here, right now. The thing is, discipline isn't loud. It whispers through the body. A quiet nod to yourself. I choose to move. There's a rhythm to it. Not perfection, just presence. Every rep, every stretch, and every breath. Proof I can trust myself, that I can honor this moment, this body. As I keep going, I notice the small victories. The way my body responds, the way my mind quiets, the way each movement builds energy inside me. It's a gentle reminder. Progress doesn't shout, it flows. Even when it's hard, even when my mind wants to pause, I keep going. Because showing up, quietly, consistently, that's where real transformation begins. Step by step, breath by breath, and moment by moment. And when it's all done, I don't chase the feeling, I just let it be. Because sometimes peace doesn't come from slowing down. It comes from simply doing what you said you would do.